Hello students, this is your course on blogging and tools. In this video on monetizing the blog, we're going to talk about making money through paid content. Logic or the concept of paid content is you create a piece of content which is not available for free on your blog. It's not like your standard blog post, and it is something that you put restrictions to, especially by maybe turning it into a PDF or it into a document which can only be accessible, which can only be received in the inbox or through email. So this kind of content is what sometimes your readers can value more than what you are providing on your blog also over a period of time. And a lot of bloggers are known to create n number of such content pieces and sell them on their blog platform itself. A great example here is that of Sarah Cordiner's blog, wherein she has a lot of free content, free blog posts available for their readers. But people who are more engaged and want to get more value from her platform, they also explore her books corner, and she has a number of ebooks which are listed on that particular page, all of which are sold indirectly through Amazon. So what she has done is she's created a page wherein there is the book cover, and then there is a brief description about the book, how it is linked or contextual to the rest of the blog content is mentioned, and then there is a link or a tab like the get the book tab at the bottom of the cover, which is provided, which users can click on to be routed to the Amazon page where they can actually make the purchase of the book. In doing so, the blogger has effectively created a platform where she can sell her ebooks. She can sell any kind of content for which she want to be paid money by her otherwise loyal blog audience. So she may be getting a lot of traction for her book from the e-commerce platform like Amazon itself. But this is a great way of getting your already engaged customer base, your target audience, to also pay attention to other type of content that you are creating. Then as you can see, as soon as you click on that get the book tab, this is where you land, where you can make the transaction, make the payment as you would normally do for any product. Now another way of selling paid content, since this is an indirect route, another way of selling your paid content through your blog site is by directly asking your members, your blog visitors, your readers to buy curated information or a curated piece of content or original content by directly paying you on the blog site. Now, this is a great example of blog Financials. We previously discussed this as well, which has a sponsored post newsletter. A lot of the blog content focuses on making money and saving money, and this is a newsletter wherein the blogger provides a curated list of links and opportunities that can help other bloggers as well as readers make money as well. And this particular piece of content is available for $19.99 per month. And you all you need to do that to get access to this content is you need to register here and make payment on this platform only. It's true that to be able to do that, you need the business version of your blog site, and you need to have either a WooCommerce plugin or a similar plugin that allows you to do e-commerce activity on your blog site. But it is definitely worth it because you don't have to share any margin with any third party provider, as is the case with Amazon. You get to retain 100% of the profit, and you are directly connected to your readers and your customers. So this is also a very potent way of monetizing your blog and making money from it. But again, it's something you can only explore once you have reached a certain level of traffic and user activity on your blog. And that's when, even with 1% engagement, you can still stand to make a good amount of money from your blog in this way. So that's about selling paid content through your blog. Next up, we'll talk about selling online courses and tools as yet another way of making money from your blog. Until then, thank you.